Question 9. Question 9. A toy train starts at the station and moves around the circular track of 220 centimeters. How many rotations will it move along the track when it has covered 440 centimeters? Now, we are told that a toy train starts at the station and moves around the circular track. Now, this 220 centimeters given in the question here is the perimeter or circumference of the track. Now, how many rotations? The question wants us to calculate the number of rotations these train covers. Then the number of rotations is going to be the total distance traveled when it covers 440 centimeters. That means the total distance over circumference of the track, which that is total distance covered is 440 over 440 centimeters over circumference of the track, that is 220. By the time we divide that, we are going to have 2. We are going to have 2. So now the number of rotations is 2, and the correct option is option B. Ṣó le, kò le.